beg. I beg.
Where is my money?
We go bring her.
Climax, stop.
Shut up, maybe you chop the money.
Where is my money?
Like this money I chop, I no keep person, I go pay. I beg, I think God beg you.
Where is my money?
You no follow chop.
I don't follow you chopping food, now your business. See.
Where is my money?
Shh, shout. Ada, we don't enter that problem. How come everybody come they ask for the osusu money at the same time? We no get shisha and you get osusu. They are me.
I don't know why. I know say now all of them plan that together. But you see this thing no go work. You see, I don't tell you since smoke they tell them say na end of the year they go they collect their money.
See,
you know agree.
Now what we go do? Then go say no be all of them will give our paper. Some carry that one when no be an name. This Teresa daily service, no be everybody get them. So and that one our address no they even this one if I no put address. So we go hard them to find out. So what we go do now be say Osondo we go run but we go change location. Yes. You understand? I know say you don't tire make I back you.
Yes.
Oh you.
Mommy, why?
If she's a girl, I'm sure she will look like me.
Okay. And if it's a boy?
And if it's a boy, it will look like your husband.
No, Mom, you are not being fair here.
What do you mean?
My baby girl will look like you and not the mother.
No.
And if it's a boy, he will look like who? The father and not my father. Mom, you're being biased.
Okay, let's watch and see.
It's okay. Alright. Okay, alright. I'll tell her to call. Yeah. Alright. We'll be anticipating your return. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Bye, sir.
Father.
How is he doing?
He's doing great. Yeah, he said he has been trying to reach both of you, but your phones are not connecting. Yeah, especially you, Amanda. He said you should call him.
Definitely, I'll call him father.
That's good.
Although I thought I was going to stay at his place when I go to have my baby. But it's fine. I mean, I'll just be here and wait for him until he returns. Then I will get to see my brother before I travel.
He'll be back in less than 2 weeks.
Oh, really? Oh, I can't wait to see my son.
Same here, mother.
I can't wait to see him.
I can't wait to see my brother.
Well, I have a meeting to attend. So
Okay.
Father and meetings.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Daddy, I'm always going out.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
All right, Daddy. Safe.
Yeah.
Your husband is really cute.
Of course. It's my husband, in whom I am well placed. Now, you take your eyes off my husband. You have yours.
I'm sorry.
Allow me admire my husband while you admire yours. Okay? You were supposed to travel to have your baby, right? Or are you planning to have the baby here in the country?
No. No, I'm not having my cute little baby here. I'm traveling. My husband is working on his mother.
Oh, that's good. You know you got yourself a good husband. Welcome. You're welcome, my dear friend.
I can see you're so excited today.
Yes, I am. I'm expecting my son. The prince will be coming back very soon.
Oh my God. Is he coming for a visit or he's finally relocating to his father's land?
Well, the prince is finally relocating to his father's land. All the businesses and other establishments he has over there are in capable hands. So he will only be visiting once in a while to check up on whatever is going on there.
That is very lovely. I'm also waiting for the prince to come back because I know he'll come with lots of goodies.
Of
I
course.
can't wait to have my share.
You have so much. So much for you.
These are broad things,
Welcome, my dear friend.
Thank you.
Hey, madam, I beg, mark like 5 for me.
Hey! Yes, you are just carry you they do yeah. So now 100 naira own you one mark.
Madam, why you talk like this? Let me wait till I get a good drop. Where make I go steal?
Nah, it is what is. If you want steal. Okay, the window. Your mates they come for their susu card. They go mark 20. See that guy where they do ya with 20,000 naira and mark.
Madam,
They bring 100 naira.
Make I tell you, by month end, I will be needing my phone with you. Is that what I said?
I know where you were.
I said by month end, I will be needing my phones with you.
See this. You know they say the phones they heavy for your maths. You know they say they heavy for your maths. See, make I seek one thing for your brain. Make I seek them well. 100 naira na 100 naira. 100 and no be phones.
This is still the some person. Huh?
Pros.
What is the what are you now?
He insult you. Now obviously they state. Now 100 naira na phones. No be phones. Now 100 naira. I beg they go make a. They are mad, ma. I beg bring your money and map. Kanje mbuka.
Yeah, baby. Okay. So what are we watching?
I don't even know. Give me!
Give me.
Easy.
You know what, baby?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to see the mini you. What's that?
Mini me? Sorry, I'm surprised. I mean, most men out there will want this baby to be a boy. But you're looking for a girl.
Yes. I'm looking for a little cutie that will take good care of me.
Oh, I see. No, I see where this is going to. But there's no problem. I will not get jealous, I promise you.
I hope the queen is getting ready because she's going with you.
My mother actually asked me. But then, I thought that she wasn't included in the plan. I actually told her that you are handling everything.
Okay.
My mother is so much anticipating for her son to return.
We have 1 month to go, so let us start preparing.
Perfect.
Alright, let's go.
Hey! Babe, I don't like this. Where did you buy this drink from? Did you check the expiring date? It's smelling like something that is bad.
No, it's nice. It's good.
Baby, just take it away.
Okay, fine.
Hey! This guy got another one. Hey! It's just somebody now in a chop like this. Nah, today on Daba. That's 20,000 come. And those today, like the ribu sasha. I know.
That fish big.
What happen? Small pikin like you no go chop. When one na dey lean me.
I no fit look again.
No, why you dey look am like that?
I look at it, look, no be chop, I dey chop am.
Tabi.
My gosh. Oh. This cartoon. Let you go to blow you. No go kill me.
Oh, no man will deserve. Okay? Today we make money for this osusu. You know what they call this thing? You know the name?
Collabo.
Collabo! You still get sense someone.
Okay.
You took a shank goes go. Pion! Oh! Sorry! Ndo? So when you little jollof or little faku, you go finish people money.
My God will help us.
Social business, they're very good though.
Is it?
You know man, no matter what, you must see money. Take chop that day.
My sister. Bessie. Those way on drive Susu go first them. May you go join.
Another collab don't come.
Your mouth big oh. Hey. So see them my mouth.
Where's that number?
Madam, I need my money.
Be like say you dey crazy. It be like say poverty don't enter your bloodline. Huh? When you can't do isusu for my hand, you know say my isusu get rules and regulations. You know say get terms. I not tell you say if you need money, you go tell me 2 months ahead. You don't reach 2 months when you tell me say you need money.
Yes, sir. Which notice? Don't see last month I tell you about this money.
Last month.
I call you to play with me.
Last month might be 2 months.
What I make I tell you? Don't be everybody will see for road, now be human being. I go take that for you.
It be like say they fear ghosts.
I go do it for you. You don't know me.
You will go that way and pay again. But me I know they fear. See, make I tell you something. I know get bank. Not be me get bank. All of us know say if you go bank now to go collect money, you go deal that bank for like from morning till night when you stand for queue. Me, I'm a business tycoon woman. If you see me now, it's so I dey go collect. I no go use all my day take go day for bank. You go give me 2 months. May I collect 1 day. Why fear excuse? Take go bring your money come out.
Okay, one try me, Abi. Abi, one try me.
I tell auntie say if anybody want to do this our business, make sure they bring their medical report. I think now I've seen now. My person don't join us now. Come now.
What I mean, is she your sister?
What is she?
Is she your sister? Is something got for you?
What is she talking?
Big money will give you, heavy funds will give you, heavy funds. Huh?
The way where they even serve for your mouth, they very comic. On a touch.
Big funds.
They talk funds, you know, be Dangote, you get mouth, mention funds. You know, they shame for your generation. You will look like poverty. You when they say draw poverty, now you I go draw for paper.
You know what you talk?
And they tell you,
Don't
Makachi,
worry.
as when Adam say poverty, say you. Yes.
Don't worry, let's say you can't hear that if you don't need
what do you go do? You not gonna do me anything. Bros, I say you not gonna do me anything. You know they mad. You not be God, though. Now money for Isusu you give me. You not be God. You know they give breath. You know they give life. You know they mad. Okay, come up for here, make I hear what. Now small money you bring come. All your money total say never even reach 3,000 naira. You won't go they give me here there. Avoid poor people because poor people they carry frustration.
You don't do. You don't come out now. Don't forget to don't chop the money. Don't forget. You don't forget something.
No be you make us chop the money. No be you. I want chop. You wait till you
want chop expensive food call. You say you want chop expensive food.
See, wait, make I tell you what you go do now. Subirila, Reji go kwa. You understand the way why they see that brother get ginger. Quickly meron mother. So what you go do now? Anakandia, Enyendia. Make we go meet those people, collect money first. Make we know how we go take do it. Make we go collect Isusu. See, you know what you do now? Anatolia, you go collect that man money now. If this guy means it.
Wow, we shall specific carry us Komoto. We could follow another direction. Then give me book. Where the money dey inside your bag, they go to say the money dey here. But when they don't cash me, they no go see money. You understand what I dey chat of?
Ada, you sure Kokwam? I don't know say this your useless sense they work like this.
And it's not they talk like that now. We shouldn't be useless.
The only better thing where you don't talk with this.
Auntie, you hit my head like this so it go come out.
Wait till go come out.
The thing where I just tell you that, the where I just
if you want come out, make come out. This thing where you talk now true. Even if armed robbers meet me for road, if they don't see me with pepper, they no go attack me.
True.
So what we go do now be say, you go take care, make I take care. carry pen in case you see new person we won't do so you go register am.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now I don't dey go.
Auntie, now wait now.
Wetin happen?
Auntie, now money for transport.
Be like say you dey craze, no be your house be that.
No, be not the same thing now.
Oh yeah, follow here, my follow here.
No, I want that motor from here go our house.
Be like say your brain don't dey malfunction. Now I no first you reach out. This is the advice I go take for them.
Well, you have done well by coming to seek my permission. And I'll gladly oblige. I used to be alone in this house while she traveled on vacation. Not to talk of now that she wants to go for a mugo. She's free to go.
I cannot wait to resume duty, my in-law.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Have you had something to eat? Lunch is almost ready.
I wish I can, but I'm heading for a meeting. So from there, I will go to see the doctor because we need his recommendation.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
It's okay.
Yeah, no problem.
I need to take my leave now.
Okay. You have my blessings already.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
Send my greetings to your wife.
It's all my queen.
Okay. Take care.
Your Majesty, I'm so glad this young man is a perfect match for our daughter.
Sure. The God we serve is not asleep. He will always lead us on the right path.
Amen.
So after all this suffering, she didn't even wait for me to come. God. Pregnant women and their problem. Babe. Babe. I'm here, baby. I'm here. I'm done with the food. Come on, baby. Come on, I'm here. I'm done. Yeah. I'm here with the food. Come on, baby. Alright, let's go. What's the problem?
Go!
It's fried egg and...
Did you use soak away water to make this food? This food is smelling. Then take it. Go! Obio! Hey! This man used to kill me. Eh? What did he use? Hey!
Please, ma, don't be offended. I'm looking for number 17 Ibanugo Street.
Ibanugo?
Yes,
You know say here where we dey na Ibanugo, but that one far. Because the one be say, you go go straight like this, eh? When you reach the junction, you go like this. You go they go. You reach again, you go see roundabout, you go take your left like this. You understand? You go take left. Then when you don't go like, you go see 1 pole, 2 pole, you corner your right again, come out.
Is it that far?
It not be only say they fight, they corner. If you don't know the place, you no go fit know the place. Now be the thing.
Please, take me there. I want to go and see a friend.
Auntie, na work I dey go. Anything will make me leave for rehab na yakwara oru. So if you want to make I go show you the place, na 10 pa.
Ma?
10,000 naira na I go take go show you. I'm telling you the truth though. I suppose it even be 20k, but a better mad in a room.
Is it not too much?
Make I dey go now.
Don't worry. I have 10,000.
Oh, yeah, show me.
I have no hands.
Okay, what's him in the street again?
17.
17. Ielu, oh? Okay. One.
Let's go.
You don't tire, you dey breathe like person when they quit they tire.
I don't tire.
So, now here you dey go. You can enter inside the gate.
Sorry. Not be here. You see. Now here I meet you now.
What's happen?
Supposed to just point here and say this place is 17.
If I point there like that, so now where we care, how you want take appreciate me? How I want take make money? You know not saying a street we dey. You know not saying the here but not yalla all bolo. I beg now here you dey go. I beg. You're
supposed to.
I beg. Leave me. I don't show you.
Jesus Christ, this woman don't chop me.
I do one small business where I get 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira I make inside. But the business won't put me for trouble. I tell you the truth.
Oh, I don't tell you, Taya. If you won't do this kind of business, maybe they can't call me. You know the year what? You must see my brain sharp as your own.
Shut up. Which brain sharp? Which brain? This one. This coconut water ain't sharp. See, make I tell you, we got to go. May we go like this because those people go catch you.
Now you they go catch. Now you dead. This game.
You kept me worried. And your line is not connecting.
Even if my phone is not connecting, what happened? What happened? Am I missing? Did I get lost? You said my phone is not connecting. You knew where I went to? Or are you expecting any bad news? I was at the palace, so what is it?
But you don't stay this long.
Your line is not connected.
Oh, Francis! Francis, leave me alone now! Leave me alone! My phone went off. I was enjoying the pampering my mother was giving to me at the palace. You want me to come back on time? If I come back, what will you do? Will you pamper me? Will you pamper me? Francis, leave me alone. Oh. Leave me alone.
Pamper you? It's obvious that this pregnancy is really making you make outrageous demands.
Okay? Outrageous demand? Francis, what did I ask you? Francis, did I ask you anything? No, anybody that hears me now will think that I've asked you for something. Did I ask you for elephant leg? Did I ask you for cow head? Francis, did I ask you for lion heart? What is the thing that I asked you now that you're talking about? What did I ask you? Francis, answer me now. What did I ask you? Did I ask you for anything? Now you will start telling people that your wife is making outrageous demand. What did I ask you? Francis, I'm carrying myself. I'm carrying this baby. Have I asked you for anything? You are looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble. Avoid me. Avoid me. Okay. Anybody that hears you now will think I've asked you for something now. Did I ask you for the president's head? Or is it the governor of your state head that I asked you? Leave me alone. I don't know what I've done to you now. What did I do? What did I ask? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Francis. Leave me. Outrageous demand. That is your new word. I've not asked you for anything, no. Outrageous demand. I don't want to see this back if I come back here. You want people to be hearing my voice? I'm the only pregnant woman.
I didn't mean it that way. Man, bro, what's going on? Man, I'm going through a lot right now. You know, my wife is giving me so much stress.
Well,
it's expected from pregnant women, I mean. But I think at this point, whatever stress you're passing through now, just bear with it, because when the child comes, it's going to be stress pro max. So just, that's it.
Seriously, I didn't bargain for this.
Oh, you were not informed of this? You were not informed? My brother, don't worry, it comes with pregnancy, okay?
But all the same, the experience is not so bad. It's just that I was not informed.
You don't have a clue yet. Just wait till when it drops. You will understand what I'm saying. Well, congratulations all the same.
Alright, it's all good.
It's alright.
See you then. We will cross the bridge.
I think it's take this left. You forgot where my house is. This way.
I don't understand. Wait, oh, because they follow you, they speak English, now they give me 4K. Did they use 1,000, they do charge for 5K? Which day that one starts? I don't understand.
If no be say I don't stop hot temper, the kind slap why for woes you 10 teeth for don't day your hand. Now me they shout for my enterprise, for my business limited, POS limited business. Why they do now? They shout. No, say na me be my own CEO.
I beg, bro, just shut up, make I hear one. You know how I take get money why they give? Because I they speak
Even
English.
if na you take get the money, I go collect my charges.
What na 1K for what? For 5,000?
Now so I dey do my own business. Now the way where you take one do your business. Now they do your business. For business they don't get ashwebi. For 4,000, if you want 4,000 and 1,000, you go give me. And now 5,000 naira say make I come out for your POS. I don't come out 5,000 now.
Madam, I know they speak English. You try to give me my money. Give my money complete. I don't get time to talk. Give me money complete.
I don't give you. See, make I tell you. When you come here now, see am POS available here. You see Obio there. You see charity there. I not say your name na charity, but me know they carry my business. They do charity foundation.
Madam, they give me.
I don't give you money. I don't give you your money.
They give me. I don't
give you your money.
I know. I know they follow you. They laugh. Give me my money.
I go change up
for you. Give me my money.
I go enter you.
Look, now don't start up for you. I tell you, let's this up. Oh, you want your change?
Yes, make him my money complete.
Wait now, wait. Look, I go give your change.
You won't go give her money.
Make things no they move for you. Make things no go they move. Make they bring my money complete.
Wait. Wait till you carry like this.
I say make things.
See, keep my voice close. I don't
take number to my way. Can you take?
What thing is this thing?
Oh, this thing. What they call it?
I know that. Somebody give me small one.
Make una fight. Who win? Go carry it. Balance. Come on. Yeah. Start.
Customer, come take one. Come collect money now. I should walk on the idiot. Me will be joy giver because I just tell you come collect money. When you be like saying you idiot, only you boy. She know their account. You when they all open, you they pass and they won't make you feel alright. They do nonsense.
Hey, sister. Hey, sister.
She share my voice so.
Because of your bad character, what you do for again, now make that customer come out so.
If no be bad character, where your mama and your papa get, I don't know why me and you go from the same papa mama. I don't know why go be from the same papa mama. Because if no be their bad character, they for no born half human being like you.
Sister, this your bad character where you they show everybody. No good though. No good though. Your bad character they smell well oh.
Now you know wear nose mask. I never start to this smell now.
I will wear nose mask so but I should be my sister, I'm not gonna wear again.
Okay. No wala, then shut up. See, no, make para no catch you. If this business no work, I go start another one. Yes, now. No be me get brain why tell they think our business. I go start another thing.
Since they talk and say you go start another one, they sweet you, they will start. If you start another business now, not be the same bad character where they talk about now, you go use to enter that one.
Shut up! Who get bad character? Now you get bad character. Idiot.
Sister, this thing no be joke. Racheal, I'm hungry. I don't hungry.
You dey mad? You want make I slap you? That's make get bad character. And I make you want chop at 10. Don't take shirite poison, idiot.
Okay, you say you want to do business. Which business you want to start now?
Think out something now. Reason. This your brain like this when no dey work anything. Manage, see whether you go fit take and reason out better business. If this POS no work, we go change.
What you want to change them to?
If na mortuary, may we go work.
Oh yeah, Mrs. Amanda, let's go. Stand up and let's go.
Mother, let's make this food here now. It mustn't be that place. Let's forget about there and make this food here. Biko.
I don't understand. Do you realize you're a married woman? Can you just listen to yourself? You should make it here. Is this your home? Anyway, if you want my special vegetable soup prepared by me for you, then it must be in your matrimonial home, under your husband's roof. Is that clear? Because my in-law must eat as well.
Shay, you see. Shay, you can hear your grandmother. You can hear her. She's threatening us because we asked for one small soup. Mother, why are you doing this? Now we want this ambience. We want this serenity. That's how we want to eat the... Mother, I forgot to tell you. I asked my husband to make scrambled egg for me. Scrambled egg with bread and egg. My husband went to use toilet water to cook for me. Everywhere is smelling in that house. Mother, let's eat. Let's eat food here.
Amanda, can you just stop? Because even this baby, the baby in this womb, also wants you to take him to his father's house. Yes.
Baby? Is it true? Can you hear your grandmother? Mother, you are lying now. My baby says it's not. I'm the only one that can hear my baby. The ear is connected together, please.
Hey. Young woman, listen to me. Let me not wait for you in the car. Queen Ania, let me not wait for you in the car.
Mother, my husband has been surviving. Don't to listen to my explanation.
Sister, you know the time for Gary. This is not fit chop better food for this house. What's now?
We chop better thing. We go fight thief. He is go do oshi. Don't give this Gary. Come, the way we stand there, go finish.
Baby say you still get pride for the Gary self.
Are you when they mad? If not be madness, why I no go get pride for Gary? He easy to chop Gary, even with groundnut. Because I know they appreciate it again. If no, you both bring Gary now, package her for one container now, put her for supermarket. Una go dey rush her. Almighty Gary now, you know, say I get pride too. Now everybody see Gary chop. Not my effort for this to make sure say you dey chop 3 square meal. You know they appreciate her. You are very ungrateful. You
see pride. If person here say you dey talk this 3 square meal now, go this na better food I chop. You know me say na this one where you dey measure one. If you dey count the Gary for us, one go chop.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. You want chop? No, I need to know. No, you work carry hand put. You want chop? I say whether you want chop. You must answer me that question. In a Gary? Look at what this our life. You don't tire me. And that we go start cleaning work. We go find people. How we go people house from house to house, go they clean, maybe they pay us money.
No be me and you go do that cleaning job where you dey talk. Instead of make we go one place where they go employ us. They pay us better money. Instead of cleaning job, now they switch you. I don't go follow you do.
People who even go university, get masters, get PhD, they never get better work. Now you want get better work. They play.
But that cleaning job no make sense. So me, I don't go follow you do.
So which job you want to do? You want work for mortuary? Which other job?
Now?
Which job you want to do now? Is it this cleaning job? You may go quiet. Only to chop. Now that one you know. But when you reach to work, you go to select where you want work.
But okay, see, the only thing I go to do is say, you go promise me, say, you know, carry your bad character enter this job, new job I want to. Promise me.
Small yash to really shit.
Promise me now. If you promise me, I swear to God, I go follow you do this cleaning job. I not go even.
I say you no get option.
I get option, no. You see,
now so hunger go carry you do in option.
see, sister, no, they talk this kind. See, this hunger where they talk self, they every day between this thing every day we go anyway.
Yeah.
No, if they go, if they go.
Is the problem? What is the problem? What is it? Are you okay? Are you okay?
No. I don't know. I'm not feeling myself.
It's okay.
I'm not feeling myself.
We're already close to the house. Baby, come. Let's go. We're already close to the house, please.
No. Give me. I cannot enter this car again, no. I cannot enter. Hi.
This is the only means we have to go to the house.
I will enter tricycle.
No way.
I will enter that tricycle. I cannot enter this car. This car is smelling. I cannot.
You cannot. Your conditions. This
I need that hot breeze. My baby needs that hot breeze.
How can
the
you
breeze is what I want.
Breeze?
That is what I want. You won't tell me what I want. Leave me go and drive your car. I don't want. Okay, carry me. Not the way I go.
Your condition, please.
Leave the road.
We have the car.
Leave the road. Okay. Leave the road. You will jam you.
Why is it so like this like this? Hey, please, get me water. I need to drink water. Please bring water for me. This one is not good.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you stressing me unnecessarily?
Am I the one you're talking to or is somebody else you're talking to? Huh? Francis, let me even ask, who is stressing you? Am I the one you're talking to?
I'm carrying your child and then you said I'm stressed. I only asked you to bring water. Water is the only thing I've requested. You people should hear me, or it's only what I asked you to bring. Now I'm stressing you. Do you know what it means to be pregnant? Do you know what it means to be pregnant for 9 months? It's not 9 days, or now you said I'm stressing you, Francis. Hey. Okay.
Babe, we went out together. Why did you now have to jump down and enter a tricycle?
Hey!
Oh, you said I'm crazy. Nah, I don't know, I wasn't.
I'm mad. I'm crazy because I'm carrying your child. Hi! Oh! Hi, Francis! Francis, you're not a good person. You are a very wicked man. Did I put myself in this condition? But you're not the one that put me in this condition. If it's only water that I say you should bring, bring water. Now I'm a wicked person. Now I'm a wicked person. Okay.
Let me help you.
Don't be orange. Did I send you? It's only what I said you should bring. I'm a wicked person, Francis, because I'm carrying your child. Look at the condition that you placed me. Hi! Oh, Francis, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. No problem. The woman that is telling this story, I don't even know if she's seen her period. Everything is... Kai! Francis, let me please
Come, bring water! Bring water! Where are you going to? Where are you going to now? Where are you going to? Stay there, John! Francis, stay here now! Stay here now! Bring water, no! Stay here, no! What?
I'm here, baby. I am here.
Honey?
You're ready.
Please, you have to go and finish up in the kitchen. Because I'm trying to arrange things. The thing is scattering. I'm trying to prep the vegetables and every other thing I will use in cooking. It's not coming together. So please, you will go. So you go and finish up.
Babe, please. I need to forward this to our office in US and it's urgent. They're already waiting for me, please. Just finish up.
Okay.
Please.
No problem.
Thank you.
By the time your house burned down, you're going to bring down that thing that is on the floor. Please remove your leg, let me pass. No problem, Mom. No problem, just sit down. There's no water in that pot, oh. There's no water. By the time your house burned down now, you will say it's me. Instead of you to be cooking so that I will be eating, you're sending me to go and cook for you. UK call, China name. Biawoken! Did you drink my juice?
Yes, no, let me know.
You drank my juice! Somebody cannot keep something in peace in this house! You better do that thing first and come and buy me gala, oh! Gala is what I want. Come and buy me gala. Somebody will keep something, you will not remove your eye. It's not like I said I want to eat gala. It's the baby that said he wants to eat gala.
It's okay, I'm listening. Okay. Alright. No problem. Alright, I'll get back to you. Yeah.
Your Majesty.
I can see you've been up and doing since morning.
What do you expect? The prince is coming back. I need to make it a special one.
Well, I've looked around. I love all your proportions.
Thank you.
But have this in mind that he always like it loud, very loud.
Of course I know, and that's exactly why we are going to pick him up at the airport.
Oh, no. He said he would rather pick a taxi, and I obliged him.
Oh no, Your Majesty, that's not acceptable. We have to go and pick him up.
No. Allow him make his decisions. He will be fine. Let's just wait back here and, receive him.
Anyways, the most important thing is that he's arriving. And that's all that matters.
Okay. Well, I've looked around like I said earlier. Everything is okay. Just keep it up.
Thank you.
Get back to work. Get back to work.
All right. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, Dad.
It feels good to be home. Exactly. Dad, come on, I'm on my way to the house. I know everyone is waiting for me. What about my lovely mom? Oh, good. I can't wait to see every one of you. What's going on?
What? I don't know. Let me
Yes, Dad, please just give me some minutes. I will call you back. Okay, Dad. You said, what is going on again? Can you just clear away and then let's see what the problem is?
Your Majesty, the table is set. We are ready to receive the prince of this kingdom.
I've been trying to reach him online, but his number is not connecting.
Probably network. I'm sure he'll be back anytime soon.
For the past 1 hour now, I've been calling him, but it's not connecting. I'm beginning to be worried.
Don't think it too much. Don't let anything spoil your mood. Your Majesty, come with me. Let's go downstairs. Come, let's go.
Am I overreacting? I don't think so. Okay.
What's going on? What is going on?
Don't you think he needs to do something?
Babe, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I've been calling my brother. His number is not connecting. You know what? You have to take me to the palace. I have to be there like right now. You have to take me there.
No. Look at the time. It's almost midnight. Babe, I know you're worried. I'm also worried too. But look at your condition, please.
You don't understand. You don't understand. I need to be there. My brother is not picking up. He's not back.
Sweetheart, please. Can you sit down, please? Sit, please. Your condition. Relax. Relax, baby.
Baby, stop telling me to relax. Stop telling me to relax. He's my only brother. I've been trying to call him. I'm having a negative feeling that something is wrong. My brother is not safe.
Please, relax, baby. Relax. Your condition, please.
Let me call him. Let me call him.
Let me do the calling for you. Just relax. Just relax.
Is he connecting?
Relax. I'll keep dialing. Just relax, baby. You know you're pregnant. Please.
Hey!
Relax, baby. Let me.
Hey! Baby, please, just give me something. Give me something cold.
Okay.
Something cold. Give me the phone. Let me call him. Hey, let me call him. Hey, come down. Let the hot tea. Something that is hot. My sister needs something. No, bring that food that is in the fridge. Hey!
I'm coming, baby.
The one from the freezer. From the freezer. Chimo, wait, no, please. Bring me the block now. I want to bring the car. I want to eat the block. Bring it.
Let us come, please.
Let's come.
Please don't declare him missing. Oh, better see you. Let's track that number he has to be calling us with. Your Majesty, please. Let's do something.
There is nothing we can do until after 24 hours. I have a strong feeling that something was wrong. Now, I've confirmed it. This number is not connected.
God.
This love, I'm seeing you feeling loved. I'm feeling strange in this cause. I'm going insane in this love, losing myself in this cause. This mountain, this time is counting. You can go down this mountain.
That is all I know. We were talking very fine. At some point, he insisted I shouldn't send the driver to pick him up. And I was okay with that. All of a sudden, we started calling his line and he's not connecting.
I assure you, Your Majesty, that our men are working so hard to find him. And please, we should be at alert. In case it's a case of kidnap, you know the kidnappers will soon call.
My queen, you don't need to worry yourself. We're going to find him.
Please, officers. I am counting on you. Please, help me find my son.
We'll try.
We will try our best, my queen. Our men are working towards that. Your Majesty, we will be on our way now.
All right.
Have a good day, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you, officer.
Oh, it's okay. Just put yourself together, okay?
Majesty.
It's okay. The police are on it already.
Are you sure my son is okay?
I'm optimistic nothing will happen to him. They will find him.
Are you sure, Your Majesty?
Come on. Just be prayerful, I'm sure.
Oga! Ah! You look what place, no go chop. I dey talk to her and still look the same place. Oga, you no go chop, you dey look that same place. Wetin you dey look for there?
Hey, I don't want to eat. I'm okay.
They speak good English for you. You never know the streets. This street, they blow you, eh? Your mind go there. They blow English. No one job. But like get strength for this street where you do. Just get strength. Chop now. They show you paper for this street. You yourself no go fit stand them. But yeah, like say you know say also no be for poor man. Now for big men because poor man no dey chop. They say no. I know this. They speak big English. Where did begin put pepper for cook? Ah. Sabeg, wait. Just wait. The mineral where you give us, Sabeg, you open and put pepper inside.
Be like say you don't dey mad, move where I can see where gone. And me they produce something. Now me manufacture something.
But shall not be that one carry me come sharp. That bros where you carry come, I don't understand them. Why you go there look one place? You know even they chop safe. And if you carry go street now one punch they'll go give them now go fall for ground. Which kind of thing be that now?
You see that guy still like that? No worry yourself. You get hunger when you hold person. They don't give the person advice. When hunger catch am, knock am akpako. Only am go dey beg for food.
I don't tell her say us are not be for poor people. Not for rich men. And poor people they know they chop at all. Which they do poor people now warm.
Eh?
Yes, so now warm like just do poor people. So I don't tell them. Like say you go still tell them. Because this kind journey we won't start to time now. I'm not sure they go carry am. Even me step way I will small step and they carry am small.
Don't worry, go carry am. Hunger. Now they teach person. They know they tell person. Go carry those firewood come. Make I go call am first. Make come break am.
This one where they chop biscuits, where they chop bread and mineral. Which is the soup now?
To chop not be uniform. They know they use that shape they chop. Everybody must know that they chop the same thing at the same time.
Okay. So if they chop garri, you they chop fried rice and chicken. Now what you want to try tell us
Adam,
now?
if you dey like this, you supposed to come on eye for all these things. Now beans you supposed to dey chop. Make you feel grow.
Stand not the wine me, not the wine me. Not the
I
wine
go
me
carry
again.
firewood come, I go call the guy.
I dey come.
I say go carry firewood come, you know the fear person. But you say go carry firewood come.
Oh yeah, wait.
I say go carry firewood come. Now wine.
You need to take it easy on yourself, my queen. Seriously, I don't know what to make of this.
Beatrice! Look at me. Look at me, Beatrice! All of a sudden, my joy had been turned to sorrow. I was happy and anticipating his return. Are you sure? Are you sure nothing has happened to my son?
Nothing has happened. Trust me, he will come back to you.
I'm hoping so. All his numbers are not connecting. Nothing at all.
But the police are supposed to take this seriously.
Do you think my son is dead? Maybe there was an accident or something.
No.
Beatrice!
No.
Your son is not dead.
Listen to me, my friend. Your son is not dead. As a matter of fact, there was no accident reported. He'll come back to you, trust me. Still alive.
Hey, little one, where are we just like this going to?
Yeah, I say I don't touch this your head. I don't raise and go up. You don't go far. Make a bigger come down again. Okay, go inside. Go bring bucket. Go also.
Wait, I'm not going to do that shit. Hustle. Why? But the agents never called us.
Who be this one? Make agent call you first. Okay, go inside. Go bring bucket. Go also. You know that time when my sister come up for this, I go also.
Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. Just need.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah, mash. I want to carry the bucket.
I don't understand.
Let's go also now. What is I
don't know what the hustle. What are you saying?
I first thought this thing give sister say you know for your also not be your kind of thing. No. Move, go also.
Alright, fine, lead the way.
Eh? You say what?
I said lead the way.
Okay, they move, they go.
You have to go first.
Go first now. I tell you, say I no go. I want to lock this house first.
How do you mean you want to lock the house?
I said they go.
You go first.
Move now. Me, I want lock house because I don't trust you. If you come back now, come to property wrong, come out. This is why they do 50-50. So they look me go.
How come you're small and you can talk like this?
Say. My hair is snail.
Nah. It be like saying all those Lebanese people we like to smoke too much. Now them they here. Because why here they smell like this? Smoke.
Oh, for Pete, me I no fit stay here.
But we go walk. Oh.
This place smells so bad. Can we just leave?
Oh, this guy, you dey funny. Just the blow, gun and the blow everything. As if say you dey school.
Hey, watch the way you talk to me before I spank your ass.
Oh, what's spank? You never speaking.
I beg. You fit come, make we go do the work wey we want do. You go carry this mob, they follow me, make we go mob.
I'm not going anywhere, I'm leaving.
Oh, you are leaving? Now my house you dey go. Now my house you want go, you dey leave. Jesus.
Hey! God, thank you. Madam, where is my money?
Where is it?
Where is my money?
Oga, no, they shout. No, they shout like say you give me 1 billion. No, be ordinary 5,000.
You say?
Can you just stop shouting?
Okay, see what's happening. You see that your 5,000, the truth be say you don't finish. As you do it for my hand, you can't tell me say you want to collect your money. Me, as a good person, I go back and go collect that money. I find you, I know see. Person can't give me advice, say you go Delta. Now so I pay transport, 2,000 naira, go Delta, go find you. From that your 5,000 naira. I reach Delta, they say you go Oka again.
Yes.
Now if I can't take the money, enter motor again, go they find you for Oka. Even I got to borrow money to take go back my house. You, if not be say you go disappear, you supposed get your money. Not be my fault.
Madam.
I saw your money take finish for transport. Where are you?
Madam, you know this serious. Better bring my money here now, or you know come here today. See this game? No, you're not going to see this game today.
Can you just take it easy?
You know me now.
Say na here you dey stay.
I know they stay here.
Say na here now. Go outside.
Go where?
Come outside. Go.
For what? I need my money here right now. Or you don't go anywhere.
I can't stay and be listening to this rubbish. I just want to leave.
Where are you going?
I'm leaving. Excuse me.
I go do it to you. I need my money. I need my money. What's that? What's wrong with you? My money. Hey!
Go! Run! Idiot! Run!
Hey, baby. Babe. What's going on?
Nothing serious. You know the matter at hand now. I decided to go stay with my parents for the meantime. At least let me keep them company.
But we didn't discuss this.
Discuss? Come on now, babe. Must we discuss everything? We mustn't discuss everything. I don't even have strength. Please, you want me to carry megaphone and give official announcement? I'm going to stay with my parents. You know the matter at hand now. Babe, please. Let me just go. You will not help your wife, oh. You will not help your wife. After now, you said, don't help me again. Don't worry, leave it. Everything you want to make me show out of this. Yeah?
Princess, what's up? You sounded urgent on the phone. What of your wife? Where is she?
She's gone.
I don't understand. What do you mean? She's gone. Gone where?
Amanda has been giving me stress lately. Since her brother's incident, she has changed. This afternoon she packed up everything and she says she's moving to her parents' house. Thus they need her more.
I'm sorry about that, but I don't think she meant any harm.
That is the problem. She didn't even discuss anything with me. She didn't even care about how I feel.
Okay. Let's put it this way. You know her family is going through a lot this period, so maybe she just needs your support.
Support? You and I know that I am ready to support my wife to any length. All I'm asking for is for she to just carry me along. Bro, my wife is drifting away from me day by day.
Father, let's just be hopeful that the police will come out with something positive soon.
I don't know what is going on. I am not a politician. Neither have I offended anyone. That somebody will hide my son just to punish me. Why?
Whatever happens, I know the God I serve will not allow me to see shame.
Amen. Amen. Yes, Mommy, I know that God will not forsake us, okay? Father, we need to be positive. We need to be hopeful that soon the police, they will come out to something positive. I believe that so much in my spirit.
I hope so. You've been staying here late hours since this incident happened. Hope your husband is not raising eyebrows.
Nothing like that, Father. He will be okay.
Are you sure?
Father, he will be fine. He's an adult. He will be fine.
Are you sure he's comfortable with this?
Yes, Father, he is.
Okay. All right. I have to retire to my bed now. So.
Okay.
Is it a lonely night, a lonely day? It is hard for me to choose. I can give you all the grace and all the space, but it'll be hard for me to breathe. Oh, what a lonely life. When can I hold you in my arms and tell you how much I need you? When can I look into your eyes? When the sky is so bright, it's raining down on me. But the moon is so bright, but I can't see. I give you all the love, it's lonely trust I see. Not in you. I give you all the world, the only seed I need is in you. What you give me gets me hurting. Feelings get me sickening. Memories of joy not in my head. It's all hearts.
My prince. Where have you been? Where have you been? I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. Where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Son, talk to me now. I've been looking for you. Where have you been? Please talk to me. Talk to me. I've been looking all over for you. Son? Son! Son! Son!
Hello. Are you okay? What's going on?
Your Majesty, I saw him. I saw my son. He was in distress and I tried to help him, but he disappeared.
My love, you have stressed yourself so much on this. You need to do less of thinking.
Your Majesty, I am resting. I know what I saw. I saw him. I saw him.
Okay, I've heard you. Can you go to bed now? You need some rest.
Your Majesty, it appears you don't even understand me. I think my son is in trouble. Because I saw him.
My queen, listen. I don't want you to stress yourself much on this. You've been doing a whole lot of thinking lately. I've heard you. Can you sleep now?
I saw my son. I saw him.
It's okay. Just lie down.
I saw him.
You need some rest.
Mother, does that dream really have meaning?
You see, I don't even know why His Majesty is shutting me down, shutting me up. I know what I saw.
He probably thinks it's my imagination.
Mother, in all honesty, I don't know what to call this. I don't know what to make out of what you said to me. Maybe my brother is in distress.
Maybe we should start saying it in a positive way. Probably we'll still see him. We'll still find him.
Of course, Mother, you're right. You have a point. Let's just be positive and hopeful that he's fine wherever he is. And he will come back to us soon.
Amen. My son will surely come back. What is it? Are you okay?
Yes, Mother.
Are you sure?
Just normal whispering.
Wait. Amanda, have you been attending your antenatals and your checkups?
Mother, I am fine. I am good. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm here.
Are you sure this girl?
Mother,
are you sure?
Mother, I'm fine. Enough of the talks. You need to go upstairs and relax. Alright? Please, no more dreams. No more bad dreams. Mother, you need to go and relax.
You also need to go and rest. Get up. Let's go upstairs together.
Mother, when I say I'm fine. Believe me.
I said get up. Let's go upstairs together.
Why happened,
You want to? Once I leave, you start TikToking. You start collecting a lion and the elephant. Let's go upstairs and rest. Okay, let me have your phone.
Mother, I am fine. No matter why.
This is what we found at the scene, but no major incident was reported.
This is my son.
Officers, how did you find his ID card?
This is not only what we found. We also found passports and other documents. But we are still investigating to know what really happened at the scene.
Please, officers, I beg you,
Whatever it will take you, find my son. Please.
Officers, I'm running out of patience. Find my son! Do all you can to find him! If you cannot do this job, then I'll be forced to call the police commissioner myself.
Be rest assured, Your Majesty, that we are trying our best. Yes. Thank you, Your Majesty, for your cooperation throughout.
I'm tired of stories! Find my son! Find my son! My queen.
We're going to try our best.
Find my son. Please, can you?
We'll try. We have to take our leave, right? Alright, let's go.
Are you sure he was not murdered or kidnapped?
It is not a case of kidnap. If not, his abductors would have called by now. For us to have carelessly picked his ID card on the road, I think there's every possibility that it is an accident.
But there was no accident recorded on the scene for over 2 weeks now.
I'm really confused. Though some accidents are not major, but we will find out in the case of this investigation.
Is that right? Let's see how it goes. Let's go.
It's okay.
Let's go.
This is really frustrating. I don't know why the police are not taking this investigation serious.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, something has happened to my son. They found his ID card, but no detail about whatever happened at the scene.
Something is really fishy. But my queen, have you tried media propaganda?
Of course. We have done that over and over again. But up till now, no one has been able to come up with any useful information about my son's disappearance. Not even one person.
I don't know why I'm not just giving into this your resolution of something might have happened to him. I strongly believe that nothing happened to him. He's somewhere. Maybe we haven't just found him.
I'm just hoping and praying that one day I will wake up to all of this as a nightmare. Beatrice, do you think my son will be found? Are you sure he will come back to me?
Yes, my queen, he will come back to you. Trust me.
Are you sure, Beatrice? Are you sure?
Yes.
You know, every day I walk into his room, I smell his clothes, I lie down on his bed, expecting him to sit close to me and tell me, "Mom, are you good? Mom, are you okay?" When will my son come back to me?
Soon.
Beatrice.
Soon.
When? When, Beatrice?
Son, don't be too hard.
When?
Have you had something to eat?
My son got lost with my appetite.
Trust me, you. Well, I need a thorough cleaning, both outside and inside. Madam, dust everywhere. Let it be clean.
When we finish, this your house go fine pass you.
Really?
Now we be the best for this job. Anything we be cleaning. I na zacha na mpocha ka ina eme.
Yes, so now we get to work.
Get to work.
Thank you, ma. Oh, thank you. No problem. So, oh yeah, you go that side. Go that side. Go kitchen side now. You here. Sweep and well. You name we go every battle. Make me go this side for the staircase. Go start my own. Wait, you can carry. You go carry their broom. Come now. Use this one for staircase. Auntie, I need access. Thank you, ma'am. So now woman like me build this house. She no get to head though. Now only one head like my own she gets. No, see house up and down. Can't they even call me? Clean it very well. My poverty may go mad. But I go make them. You see as I did like this, see that money? Someday I go make them. Hire my own house help. Begin commander. Clean that place very well. I go make money. Makachi.
Hello. Please, before you go downstairs, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Who are you? I mean, what is your name?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know.
Well, that is not the reason why I am here. I'm here to work.
Okay.
Thank you. Madam, please, you have to excuse me. Let me get something outside.
I'm very sure I know him. This is him. Could this be the reason he does not want to reveal his identity? But what will make him to condescend so low to this?
Officer, what is the latest development?
Your Majesty, there is no any development from our own end. But the earlier information you gave us will be useful to us.
Officer, do you expect me to take you serious? Can you hear yourself talk? So my son's case now has two ends. From your own end and my own end. From your end, you said you have no development. Now you're working on the information I gave you. Officer, you should get to work. You're a detective. Find my son!
Your Majesty, we will need the address so we can go there. Is there any possibility that your son is a twin, Your Majesty?
My son is not a twin.
You never can be too sure. Or probably he could be his replica.
Officer, your story is not clear here at all. That is why I am urging you to get to work. Get to work! You're a detective and you're well paid to do this job. Find my son!
The best thing to do is to contact the agents for the address. I need to know where they stay before I make any move. I need to be sure that he's the one. Are you sure this is the right thing to do? Or I should just forget about everything? No. He's my friend's son. I have to do something. I know what I saw. He's the one.
Beatrice, you know you haven't seen the prince in a very long time. Are you sure he is the one you saw?
The last time I traveled to UK, I saw him. I was so excited to see me. But yesterday, I can't just explain the situation I saw him, and he refused to talk to me.
Well, if you are sure that the person you saw is my son, can you take me to where he is?
The journey is a far one. It's outskirts of the town.
If the place is motorable, why not?
It is motorable.
Then what are we talking about? Take me to where he is.
Like
just give me a second, let me get my bag.
Is it a lonely night, a lonely day? It is hard for me to choose. I can give you all the grace and all the space, but it'll be hard for me to breathe. Oh, what a lonely life. When can I hold you in my arms and tell you how much I need you?
Hello?
When can I look into your eyes?
Is anybody home? Hello?
So bright, it's raining.
Who is here?
I don't see you.
Are you sure you saw my son here?
My queen, are you doubting me? The agent that got them for me showed me this place.
How can my son, the prince of my kingdom, stoop as low as stay in this kind of environment? No, I don't believe you, Beatrice. It's not possible.
You have to believe me. Let us just wait a little.
No way.
Better still come back tomorrow.
No.
We'll see him. I'm not lying.
I am not comfortable with this environment. Please, can we leave?
Fine.
Let's get out, please.
Down on me, but the moon is so bright, but I can't see. I give you all the love, it's lonely trust I see, not in you. I give you all the world, the only seed I need is in you. What you give me gets me hurting.
How can my son be staying in a squalor? How is it possible that my son can condescend so low to live in a place like that?
Honestly, that's exactly what I'm confused about. No. He can't be the one. That's not possible.
Mother, we need to go there. We need to go and see things for ourselves. We need to be there. Let's see if it's true or not.
But why will he be alive and choose to punish us this way? Why in God's name would we want to do that?
Mother, we are saying the same thing. We need to go see things for ourselves. We don't have answers to these questions. Let's go and see if Auntie Beatrice is saying the truth or not. Or maybe it's a mere imagination. I don't know. Or maybe somebody that looks like him.
This whole thing is tiring and frustrating.
Just tired.
Francis, you still have not answered my question. I said I saw a girl in that house. Who is she? What's she doing in my house?
Why are you flexing your muscle like if you've been doing your duty as a wife?
Also, because I have not been doing my duties as a wife, that is why you should cheat on me? You don't even cheat with somebody that has class. Look at who you're cheating on me with.
Amanda, you know what? I don't have strength for your tantrums.
Okay, I don't finish. I don't clean everywhere, cook the food, everything. I don't put the food for freezer.
Thank you so much.
No problem, Oga.
I'll pay you handsomely.
Oga, my money I want, no be assurance.
What is going on here? Am I invisible? No, you cannot come. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Are you okay? How can you just come to somebody's house just like that? Okay, Francis, I'm talking to you. You're still giving her your phone to put account number. You're disrespecting me in front of this thing. Francis, you're disrespecting me. Hey, do you want me to smash that phone? You want me to smash that phone so that you go there and tell them that I've started again, Abi?
Don't put my account number.
Francis!
Don't.
Hey, Oga, you even add something. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anytime when you need somebody will go cook, clean, I did, sir.
Get out from my house! Carry your stupid face and leave this place! Get out!
Ndo?
Miserable miscreant that don't have what they will do. Looking for people's husband to collect, and you say the way you're disrespecting me in front of this girl. You go out there, you carry anything you see on the street and you bring them into my house.
When you're done shouting like a dog, go back to the palace.
Francis, if not for one thing, I will tell you that you're a very stupid man. Francis! Open this door! Francis!
Play now. Not to do this kind of thing, not the form where you go for myself. But yeah, if I say Mama, show me your potato. If you put 2, if you put 3, if you put no, but not put your 2 on. Yeah, move the go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Mama. You the one now, Mama, show me your potato. Cashew.
Oh my God!
Son! Where's the son?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Who are you?
We have missed you.
You've missed me.
We've been looking for you. Where have you been? What are you doing here?
You've been looking for me. As what? What is she talking about?
I told you.
There's so much look alike. You don't seem to know us.
There's so much look.
Waiting they happen for you and which people?
That time God say don't come, I beg, come. I don't know what all these people they do. They say they know lost but fine. They say this is a cousin and mama be. Mama.
Who is lost and found?
Now you be lost but found.
He is my son.
I am not
and
a son.
She's my friend.
Stop saying that. I'm not a son.
And you know say now you I know. Now you I can't work for. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen.
He's my friend's son. He has been missing for a while now. The other day, 3 of you came cleaning for me. I became so confused. I had to contact an agent that gave me this address.
Madam.
Who is he to you? Is he your brother? How did you know him?
Ha, Mama, this story where you they find it long go. This story long.
Alright, sweetheart, we are ready to listen to you. Okay? I am ready. We are ready.
Yes.
Okay?
What are you talking about?
Lost but found. Yeah, don't go inside.
Will you stop calling me that name?
Come inside. Now your second day because you lost. We can't find you. Come inside.
Please, deal with this.
Son?
Where's your son? Stop calling me your son.
Lost but found. No, they go.
Madam, can I sit?
Sit.
Please, my dear. Do you need a drink?
Just start anyway.
Do you need a drink? I can get you a drink.
What is wrong with you?
Father, it is my husband. It is Francis. That man wants to drive me crazy. I don't know what I have done to him. He seems to have lost respect and value for me.
I've told you severally to go back to your husband. In as much as I know that you're here to keep us company. But you should also realize that you have a family of your own now.
Father, no, I disagree with you on this one. Francis should be the one that should be reasonable. He's my husband, for crying out loud. He should be here and understand that my family is going through a phase at this period. The best I could do is to just stay with my parents and then comfort them. Is it too hard to comprehend? Why is he acting like a child?
My dear, you have done well. But I still maintain that your husband needs you more. You should go back to your husband.
Father, Francis is not breastfeeding. I'm not babysitting him. You should... Mother.
What happened?
Mother, what is it? Why is your face like this? What happened? Auntie
What?
Beatrice. I am finished. Auntie Beatrice, what is it? What?
We met Prince Martins today, but he did not recognize any of us.
I don't understand. You met my brother. Even if he's not able to recognize you, you should be able to recognize Mother. What is going on? I don't understand.
We met him living with one lady and her younger sister. She told us that she saw Prince on the road helpless and she decided to help him. But the unfortunate thing there is that the doctor diagnosed him of amnesia.
What?
What?
Amnesia? So what you are trying to say is that my mother confirmed that her son is alive, my brother is alive. That is a good start. I mean, that is good news.
Yes, he is alive, but cannot recognize any of us.
Mother, please. You have to take it easy. It is not enough reason for you to start crying. Fine. My brother does not recognize anybody. It's okay. We can actually go to the lady, talk to her, bring my brother back to the palace. Maybe when he gets to this palace, he will be able to remember something. Father, you're not saying anything. Say something.
Listen, Princess. We need to trade with caution. The lady in particular did not even believe us. She needs an evidence for her to know that we know who Prince Martins is.
Fine. We'll give her evidence. There's a lot of evidence to prove it. Father!
It's okay. Take your mom inside first. Let her just...
Good afternoon.
Well done. What's happened?
The thing sent me to give you this just of the prince.
Yes, one name. Take your leave. Or leave Oro watching.
You can take your leave.
Make we go see. Now. We go take 7 eggs. Take cook indomie.
No go finish them. No go finish them.
Carry your son.
I know if you carry this one. Carry him, no?
Oh yeah. Bia. Vute jide name kazombi. Come carry yam. I say come carry yam. In one or ever and she tell you on no good day like this, man or brother. You no go chop am if you no go. Bia vute joy son.
Your Majesty, I advise we tread with caution in order to achieve the desired results.
Mother, this is not the time to trade with caution. Yes, we need to trade with caution, but we don't need to take things easy like that. You're talking about human life here. My brother's life is at stake. I don't know how you're comfortable leaving him in the hands of that woman. What if she's a bad person? What if she's a kidnapper or something?
Oh no. Far from it. I went there and I know what I saw. That whole thing is far from kidnapping. It's not a kidnapping case.
Okay, in other words, that means we need to report this matter to the police.
I think she has a point there.
Well,
so what we have to do is to go immediately. So,
you mean to the place?
Exactly. That's what we're saying here. That's what we're talking about here. Isn't it?
Yes, that's
so
what we're saying.
Let's go right away and make official entry.
Go to where?
We need to make an official entry concerning this matter.
I'm here for my son.
Hold on. Don't I know you? I don't know, but this face looks familiar. I feel like I've seen her somewhere before. Mother, I remember. You remember that same person I was telling you that wanted to snatch my husband away from me? Okay. She's the one. She's the one that wants to take my husband away from me. Because tell me when cleaning services is not related to cooking services.
Tolo. Don't just come show your dancing step for you. Don't come show your dancing step for you. Do you hear me?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up. Close that thing on your face. I'm talking, you're talking. What will you do?
Yeah,
tell me.
It's okay, sweetie, it's okay.
You see this quarrel where you quarrel, it no concern me. This quarrel no just concern me. Now my work I dey do. I come on the house, come clean finish. Now your husband come ask me whether I go fit cook, saying go pay me. Me waiting again I dey do. I can't say yes, he can't pay me money, I can't cook for now. You no enjoy the food. Make I tell you, Makachi, if your husband no pay me, I no go cook food, because you no follow for my work. As I tell like this, now survival like the anything will go give me money will be genuine something. I snatch am, now you still get am. Eh?
Let me even ask you guys. Why are you people here? Why are you dressed in royalty, yet come here to look for trouble?
Son, we're your family.
I am not your son.
We're your parents, your family.
Yes.
Please, princess, please. Take it easy with them. Please. Calm down.
You go see. That's the one they talk, you know they understand them. As a day like this, you don't know now, you don't remember anybody. Now we be family, they call us family.
It is a lie. Look at me very well. I'm your sister. Can't you remember me? This is mom, this is dad. We're your family. You can't remember anything.
I'm your father.
Sweetheart, please, we need to take him home for a proper treatment.
The problem is say no go agree. Follow.
Why?
Oh yeah, take him now because I no say no go follow. He no go agree.
Why does it?
Father, can you speak? Just talk. Say something so that he can remember. Just say something.
I say no go agree. Follow.
Oh, what is wrong with this girl?
Amnesia. Doctor talk say you get I'm waiting. Amnesia. Say that amnesia be amnesia. The shatin. Now he make him. He don't forget everything. Everything way before you get that accident, don't forget him. Only us you know.
Yes.
So not be waiting you go the quarrel for.
Again,
and you're comfortable with that? Huh? You're comfortable with that?
Igwe, I don't know what I go do. No be me cut the amnesia. Amnesia.
Father, we need to take him home. Can we just take him home? Let's take him home. He needs a proper medical attention.
We don't carry and go proper medical place.
Yes.
Doctor can't do everything when I make it even day okay like this. But can't say for him to remember everything we forget. Say he needs special prayer.
Yes.
But I can pray.
Father,
can we take him?
Okay, young lady, I appreciate all your effort. We shall be back for him. Huh? We'll be back. Let's go.
Father, we cannot leave him in the hands of this girl. We cannot. He's not safe.
It's okay.
Now we be in family.
Huh? Please take care of him.
Okay, Lolo. Only Lolo get understanding.
Those people will come, you know them. You remember anything?
You remember something?
See, make I tell you. You see that memory when you want to come back? Wipe him come out, oh. Because as you be like this now, my brother you be, oh. Just clean them. If you don't want clean, I'll help you clean them.
What are we going to do?
Your Majesty, something tells me that lady is hiding something. Yes. See, you can't just trust a stranger like that. She needs to be arrested. She needs to give us a detailed report of what happened. Where did she pick my son from? And what condition she met him? This is vital information we need to get from her.
I think you have a point here.
That's good.
First thing tomorrow morning, she will be arrested.
That's more like it, my husband. You know, human beings are terrible. They are cruel and wicked.
I think we have to pick it up from there.
That's it.
You see, I'm sick and tired of the whole drama. I want my wife back.
Francis, you need to take it easy with that drink. I can see you're tipsy already.
You see this? It gives me peace. Since my wife does not care about me.
His Majesty has 2 children. Put yourself in his shoes. Do you know how it feels to lose one of them without a trace? Come on. This is definitely going to be a tough time for that family.
And me as well. You see, Prince, Martin is my in-law. But I want my wife to understand that my shoulder is big enough for her to cry on. Instead of she keeping me in the dark. Am I demanding for much?
No, you're not.
Thank you.
But you see, everyone reacts to pain differently. Patience, Francis. Patience.
Patient, you say? You of all people know I've been patient enough.
Then keep being patient. It doesn't end. And more importantly, you need to stop that drink. If not, you won't be able to drive yourself home.
And I'll find somewhere to crash.
Better still, I'll take you home.
Hi, honey.
Amanda, what exactly is the color of your problem? Because I need to know why you're not prioritizing your safety.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
The doctor just called me to inform me you've not been coming for your checkup. Do you want to harm the baby?
Honey, I'm sorry. Really, I'm sorry. It's not intentional. You know, since my brother's disappearance, my head is full. It's been from one explanation to another explanation. The police is not even helping matters. These people, they are not doing their job very well. I'm sorry. It escaped my mind. Please.
I understand. And I also sympathize with your family. But your brother will not forgive you if he finds out you harm your child yourself. Please, take your antenatal serious.
Baby, there's no problem. Fine. I'll go before the week runs out, okay? I'll take my antenatal serious, I promise you. But then please come and drop me at the palace, eh? I need to rush. I need to go. Baby, I'm too.
Hey, baby. What is it?
Park this car. It's taking you heaven and earth to park the car. Francis, why are you not talking to me? Since we left the hospital, you've not been talking to your wife. What is the problem?
Tell me, what do you want me to say? You've decided not to take care of yourself or even think of how I feel. You've been so engrossed on this your family issue. What do you want me to say exactly?
Francis, do you know you're selfish? I'm asking you, I'm talking to you, we're having a husband and wife conversation here. Do you know that you're very selfish? No, just in case you don't know, let me tell you now. You are very, very, in short, you're wicked. You are self-centered. It is only yourself that you know. Why are you like this? If reverse was the case, I would have taken care of you. I would stand by you as your wife. But no, it is my turn. You will not do the same for me. What kind of a man are you? Eh? Is this how you treat your pregnant wife? I'm carrying your child for crying out loud, Francis. You are so heartless. But my God will judge you. My God will definitely judge you.
Are you done? Please, can I take you to the police?
Have you seen it? This is what I am always talking about. I am talking to my husband and my husband is shoving me off. No, have you seen it? All the time you make it look like I am the problem. But you're actually the problem. You're stressing me to talk on top of my voice in my condition. Francis, you're not a good person. In short, you are mean. Your mother mean. Take me to my father's house because I know you want to kill me, but you will not kill me. I refuse to die. In this condition, I will not die. Drive the car. They did not tell me that this is how this thing. Move the car now. Move the car now. You don't want to move again. No problem.
Goodness. I didn't know she has not been going for her checkups.
It's not your fault, ma. She chose that for herself.
Oh, I'm sorry, Francis. I know this whole thing have taken a different turn on you. Hey, please, bear with her, okay? Everything will be fine.
Thank you, ma. I'll be on my way now.
Oh, really? All right, son. Please, take good care of yourself.
And her too, please.
All right, I will.
Bye.
Are you okay?
Me, I'm better. I'm better. Why is my husband angry? I don't understand Francis, oh. All the time he's always angry. He's always angry. I don't know why he's angry. I don't know why my husband has refused to be reasonable. You just not see that he stepped on me.
Hey, you don't need any of this in this your very delicate condition. Okay? Take it easy.
Mother, there is nothing wrong with me. There is nothing wrong with me. I am perfectly okay. It is Francis that something is wrong with. He is bitter. He is angry. He is annoying. He is everything negative. What is his problem?
You don't have to blame him. You mean a lot to him. And so also his baby. You can't deliberately want to endanger your life.
Hey! Sheyipo has seen her mother, even you. Do not refer to my child as his child. This is my child. Francis does not even ask what the temperature of this child is like. Francis will not ask if my baby is angry or if my baby is happy. Francis will not ask if the baby wants zobo or if the baby wants anything. All the time he's always angry. He is a very selfish person. More than even you too. Even you. You just said that I deliberately want to harm my baby. How will you say I deliberately want to harm my baby? Why is everybody against me? Why is everybody against me? My enemy is working against me. Very soon my father will say it. My father will be against me. It's not fair now. It's not fair.
Now that's enough. Are you saying that this child is not Francis' child? Are you carrying a bastard?
Yes, welcome to my life. Please guys, share this live. Alright, share this live. If you are not tapped, double tap on your screen, please. Like and comment. Share. People are not sharing now. People are not, please now. Where are my gifters? My gifters are not here. I've been talking since morning. Not the saliva in my mouth is dried up. Now, don't you see I've been drinking water? I've drunk 1 gallon of water. Where are my gifters? Even if you don't want to gift me now, please you put to gift my baby. Gift my baby so that I will tell my baby that my baby has online uncles and aunties. Hey! Universe! Thank you very much. Thank you. When I give birth to this my baby, I will tell my baby that my baby has online gifters.
Hello.
What is the problem?
You want to thunder this whole house with your voice? I'm going to take this phone.
Alright guys,
I'm seizing this phone.
Who that? I was live now.
Have you taken your medications?
I'm done for today. I will continue tomorrow.
That is not the answer to my question. Have you taken your medicine?
Mother, I said that I have taken. I'm done for today. Tomorrow I will continue.
Henceforth, I am going to put you on check.
Why? Mother, I'm not enough to take care of myself. Why will you put? I'm not a baby now.
Indeed. Just like you landed yourself in the hospital. Isn't it? You landed in your hospital in the name of taking care of yourself? What is all these things you're doing?
Mother, is it because of that small thing that happened? There's no problem. I've heard you. My medicine, I'll be taking my medicine.
And I'm going to seize this phone.
Mother, you want to seize my BP drug? If you seize my BP drug, you want that means I will be in the hospital for 2 months. So.
The same BP drug you take every day, you sit in front of your phone, yet you fainted. What nonsense is this? Now get up and go upstairs and rest.
Mom?
What did I do? I don't know who I be now. What did I do? You go enjoy me now. What did that? What did I do now?
When we get to the station, you know.
Let's go. Wait. Na police una be.
Yes.
Where una arrest warrant? If una wan arrest me, where say una dress like bankers, una come here come dey carry me. I no like this thing. No. I no like am.
Drop me down or I'll bet you.
Young lady, we are trying to make things easy for you. You better make things easy for yourself. Help us make things easy.
Come after. Come on, let's go.
Oga, what's going on? See, Oga, you can't just do like that. I don't want this thing.
Don't let him
have you. Stop this. I hope it's a beg. I know I'm moving. Speak to me.
Get it. Can you just stop? Come on, can you just talk to me? Talk to me fast. Come on.
We took our time in interviewing her and we are convinced that she's innocent.
Officers, you know I've never had faith in you. I don't believe your narrations.
And like we said before, Your Majesty, she said she found a little money in his pocket and that is what she used for his hospital treatment.
See, today today na just bad day for us. Upon say we work well for that woman, she don't want pay us better money.
Aye.
Clean everywhere, clean even poultry join. That woman dey heartless.
See, she not the heartless. Now you call Sam.
Wetin I do?
You don't know what you do. I tell you make you buy soap. You say no, you don't want buy soap.
So because say we no carry soap go, we use that soap. Now make she come out 2,000 naira from her
Yes,
money.
now. Okay, you want make she just pay you 2K for waiting. I tell you this thing, you know they hear me.
That woman now very wicked person. Nothing where anybody can tell me. Upon all the money where she get though. Now na human being that.
You like say na human being no? See, this kind of person, we need to just search him. Collect the money where they in pocket. Not they see the earring for your ear.
Ada!
Ina ya okay.
Ada!
Sister!
You wear earring join.
You should say you get money. For that side where you come get money. Boy, you come out for you.
Wait, me will help.
No, Epam. I don't understand you. You won't put us for trouble. You know, for big sister, you know nothing I'm smart for you. See this thing what you want to do, you go put us for trouble.
How? When to help person become trouble? See, make we help him.
Help who?
Make we help him.
Help this person. Oh, me and you. We not fit help him. Now what we go do now to go search him. Search him, collect the things where they body. Go.
Ada, now you dey talk this thing, you don't get human sympathy.
I don't show him, I show him since. You see the sympathy, I don't show him. See, Sister Boku, search him, take clothes, but they don't catch you. Take, give me. Search him, and you go search him. I think I'm not going to do these things. He kill this guy, I'm not going to carry the money go. He said no, he won't save your life. Nah, you know they talk, you know they move, you know they shake anything. God, don't waste 3 million. Waste 3 million for this person body. What do we for a better life? See now, you know they shake eye, never shake body. I don't trust this doctor. Hope say you no go finish that big money for the sickness so. Doctor, I agree to. Oh, what did you do my...
Young lady, what are you doing?
Afana. Our party be this. Our party be that. Our church member. What did they do?
He'll be okay, oh?
Okay.
It's alright, he'll be okay.
So, if they come out this TV, he die?
No, he will not die.
Ah.
Yes,
Okay.
he'll be okay.
So, what if he kill him?
No, I said he'll be fine.
Okay.
We'll take care of him.
Okay.
She'll be okay, oh?
Thank you, doctor. Bye-bye. I will make her just kill this guy or come out the drip. Make me and my sister just drop the money. But what if they can't catch me? No. They not go fit to catch me. If I remove her now, they go catch me. And me and my sister could share the money. Oh, this guy, you die now. Die. You die. I beg, die.
What's be the problem? What's be the thing? I mean you carry face for like that. What's be the thing why?
The money we see for this boy pocket now will be $1. Whoa, as we do exchange now, it come with 3 million. Whoa, for you stay better our life. Now you can't go pay hospital bills. It don't make sense now.
You see life will go better. You go better. Abaka mumbo be go in the organize silachi. So that thing we would do live like that.
So you dey try tell me say na better thing we do. I be na waste money like this so.
You see this thing where you dey talk, I no blame you. Not my fault. After our elder sister leave me and you run, I no train you well, no give you proper home training. Forget say we dey do all this wayo thing, they carry people money. Anything wey person life dey involved for inside, my hand no dey. And your hand no go dey in Jesus' name.
So they try to tell me say we dey do better thing.
Na better we do.
As we dey do better thing now, wetin we go chop this evening?
Today na waiting.
Wednesday.
Ekpere Wednesday midnight.
Sister, no dey do this kind of thing, no. No dey do this kind of thing, no clear.
You suppose dey pray make that guy dey okay. Maybe all this one.
Make he die sef. Make we go retrieve.
I'm happy that you're eating. How are you feeling today? What is your name?
I can't remember.
Don't worry. You will be fine. The nurse will soon come in with your medication.
Doctor. Never.
You can see your brother is okay.
Doctor, wetin dey do am? You know, the way they look, they do like person wey no dey normal.
He's perfectly okay. But we found something. We discovered something about him. He's having amnesia.
Oga, nobody send you to go discover. See, all these things where you discover, if you require money, I no get.
Do not be afraid. You have already settled the bill, including the medication. Amnesia is someone that lost his memory.
Yeah, Cheru, like Allah, madness, colomenta.
No. He's not mad. Just that he cannot remember anything. But with time, he will gradually recover the lost memory.
Yeah.
Never mind. I will discharge him tomorrow and give you all the necessary things to manage the situation.
Nsogbu, onye na-echetara, ka eko ga-ezizi na be ha. Yeah. So I beg, I want to ask you something. So, you no remember your papa? You no remember your mama? Even girlfriend, if you get. No, they remember anything. Eh? I dey talk to you. You know, okay, wetin be your name? Where you from? Where your people dey?
So I go big.
I kukwara aka na tipa bu aja. So, nothing. Okay. As you no remember your name, I go give you lost but found. We go dey call you that one. So that when you remember your name, we go change am.
So I go talk for sister. That's why I'm waiting. Tell you say.
You go there with us now. You don't already there. For this side, now hustle get us. So you go join us, make we start work. Because you no go just dey here, they consume food. You no go work. You dey hear me so? I be no be so.
Not true, because that's work over here. If you no work, you no
go chop.
You no get as you want to chop.
I am ready to do anything. Anything. I'm fine with it.
Hospital, since when he come out from hospital, now this English, they blow since. I don't tell him. Make you know they blow the English give us. No be English teacher.
No problem, we go start work. Make I see whether you go fit do the work we do. We go start work. Wetin why tell am he go gree?
Now wetin me dey fear, because I think that was used to do another better thing. You think you want to okay. See results.
She also confirmed that she did not know that he's a prince.
Your Majesty, like I said before, investigation is still going on. Good enough you have your son with you. She only helped him. So, I believe he will recover faster.
The only consolation I have right now is that my son is back home. That's my only consolation. So far, I would say you officers have done noble in bringing my son back home. So, you've really done a good job.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Keep it up.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We'll be on our way now.
Sure.
So how is he recuperating?
My dear friend, it's not been easy at all. It's really been a tough one for me. Because each time I look at my son, I am heartbroken. It's as if he's not happy being here. Can you imagine he wants to go back to those girls?
But there's nothing wrong there. If those girls will help him heal, why don't you bring them here?
Excuse you? Bring which people here? Look, on the contrary, this is where we'll help him heal fast. He needs to stay in an environment that will bring back old memories to him. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do. But, each time he keeps mentioning and referring to them as his family. Feels like we are caging him here.
I understand you perfectly. But why don't you create that friendship? Take him to old places. That will help him to heal.
Nah, this is not easy. It's really frustrating. In fact, I don't know how long we're going to continue like this. He's so aggressive. Always saying, I want to go back there. I want to go back to my family and all that.
Do not worry. He'll be fine.
I hope so. He will.
Hello, my prince. How are you doing today?
Hey, try not to be nice to me, okay? I don't know you. I don't know you. Avoid me.
You see what I told you? See what I told you? He does not recognize anyone. He's always aggressive. Whenever I call him son, he's angry. His father calls him son, he's angry. His sister calls him brother, he's angry.
But do not worry. He'll be fine. He's still trying to heal.
Amen. He will heal. Yeah.
Sister. I know see the miss plus sports fan. Me self I didn't miss am too. But this one will be so we can't face our own life. We can't also for our own self. If not, we no go chop. Now food stuff don't finish. And I'm sure say money don't finish too.
We get money to buy food stuff. Now me we no get strength. I no just get strength. To comot, no they even dey hungry.
Sister, no talk that thing again. No dey talk that thing. I don't want the face me pass. You can't get strength oh. You see that lost but fund. He don't go face his life now. He dey chop better food for there. We wait there here with their suffer. So if we keep on thinking about them, we go suffer. As lost but fund, they teach me small English before. Say if we keep on thinking about them, we go suffer.
You go buy food. We go.
But I know say we go still meet people for road. We go still need our help. They go still appreciate us.
Lost but one people, they give me money, na me we no gree collect.
Talk true.
But they tell you the truth.
Yeah? Why you go dey fuck up like this now?
Make I tell you, no be everything wey you do for people you go collect money for. I know say we dey do bad things to make money, but my own bad, e get boundary. Because you help somebody save in life, you go charge them, you be God. You know good. I want me my reward day heaven. That one don't follow for the things why did you know where we speak?
Wait. Which time you turn prophetess? How will you teach me this bad thing where I don't... Now you don't leave me come out for the bad thing. Make a day alone for the bad thing.
Repent, join me.
Sister, I don't go work. Who not there also?
Go for my bag, go carry money. May we go buy food stuff.
Which of your bag?
The black one.
Black bag. How much dey inside?
Big bro, I am so happy that you are back to the palace. You know, I mean, this is a great start for you. It's indeed a good one. Mother, what do you think?
I agree with you.
Even if you cannot remember anything, at least you should know that we are your family, your real family.
Sweetheart, eat your food.
I'm not happy I'm here.
Why?
This is not my family.
What?
Where's Teresa? Where's Adam? I miss them. I want to see them.
Bro, please, you need to calm down. See, we are trying to let you know that we are your real family. This is mom, this is dad.
I said I want to see them! Now!
Okay, calm down. You'll see them soon, okay? Just calm down. Eat your food. You'll see them soon, I promise you.
Please eat your food, okay?
I still feel we did not treat them right. Yes. They accommodated our son, took care of him. We were supposed to appreciate them, honor them.
Your Majesty, how is that our fault? We tried our best. They practically refused to accept anything from us. Even the money we offered them, they rejected it. So, what else are we supposed to do under the circumstance?
Notwithstanding, we're still supposed to do better. I think we shouldn't have abandoned them there. We should have looked for a way to bring them in. What do you think?
Majesty, I am really bothered. The fact that my own son can't even recognize me, his mother, gives me great concern. I mean, how long am I going to continue like this? He prefers a stranger, total stranger, to me, his mother. It breaks me, Your Majesty. It breaks me.
My love, don't sound as if you're not grateful. At least he's alive. All we owe him now is just prayers. With time, I'm sure he will come back to his consciousness. Don't forget, a living dog is better than a dead lion.
It's all right, Your Majesty. As my Lord pleases, I'll keep praying.
Hope you still remember how to pray.
Mother, darling, I honestly do not like the condition. Do you think he will ever recover from this?
Why do you have to say that? Look, sweetheart, you need to be positive, okay? Your brother will get well. Be positive. I'll be praying for him. Take it easy, please. Are you okay? Take it easy, okay? So please, my darling, all you need to do is to keep praying for your brother and be positive.
Mother, I am positive. I'm very much positive. It's just that it hurts me so much to see my brother in that condition. To think that he adopted a new family without recognizing his own original family, mother, it's so painful. And that girl, I don't like that girl one bit. I don't like her.
But those children are very, 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 very hardworking.
Hey, mother, I even forgot to tell you. This particular girl, I saw her in my husband's house. Cooking, washing, and cleaning for my husband. Mother, I don't like that girl one bit. I'm sure she has eyes for my husband. And the other girl,
oh, really? But that's what they do for a living? Yes. Those girls are hardworking, focused, committed. I respect them so much. It's cleaning. That's what they used to fend for themselves. It was through cleaning that Beatrice, my friend, was able to see them.
Really, mother?
Yes. They are professional cleaners.
Even like that, mother, I don't care. I still don't care. I don't like that girl. I just want my brother to recover, so you will stay away from those things. I don't like her.
Mrs. Francis, be calming down. Hey, by the way, how is your husband? Huh? How is my in-law?
I wouldn't know. He should be fine wherever he is. Besides, this period, we are far from each other. We are no longer the way we used to be.
Oh, sweetheart. I'm so sorry about that. I'm sorry. But I was expecting Francis to be more understanding.
Oh! Yes, so mother was expecting him to understand me too. You've just said it now.
But even at that, if he feels neglected, probably you're not giving him the kind of attention he needs. You should take it easy with him. You know, men are like babies. They like to be pampered. They like to be given attention. So just calm down and make sure you try your best to make sure this marriage must work. Okay, Nania?
Mommy. What do you want me to do?
Why are you still dressed like this? Don't you like the royal clothes that I bought for you?
I don't receive gifts from strangers.
Strangers? Listen, we are not strangers. You are my son, and I cannot deny it.
Yes, son. We are your family. I'm your mother. He is your dad, and that's your sister seated beside you.
You are not my family. I don't know you all. Take me to the people I know. Teresa, Anada, and that's final.
Well, if that is your wish, it will be granted.
Big bro. Big bro, look at me.
Can you just stop calling me that name? I'm not your brother.
I can't stop calling you dad. You're my brother. Look at me. I'm your baby sister. Have you forgotten all the good memories that we shared together? Even if you don't remember mother and father, you're supposed to remember me, please.
It's okay. Let's see how we can get those girls. Probably that will hasten his healing. Okay?
No, mother. You can't even say that. Bringing those girls into this house is not an option. We can't bring total strangers to our home. We can't do that.
It's okay. Let's find a way to bring them over, okay?
Exactly.
Father, this idea does not sit well with me. I'm not comfortable with it. I don't buy this idea at all. Total strangers.
You shouldn't have let her leave the house.
I couldn't stop her. She needed to be with her parents. But I didn't know she would be this insensitive towards me.
Well, my advice is just let her be for now, okay? She has a few months to go, so after some time, I believe she'll come to her senses.
You know, the problem is that she's shutting me out, and it's affecting me.
On the bright side, she's in her parents' house, so which means she's in safe hands. So, give her time, okay?
I pray. Seriously, I can't wait for this whole thing to be over.
Don't sweat it. Everything will be fine. Cheer up.
It's all good.
You're still there?
What do you mean I'm still here? Where am I supposed to be? That's not my house.
I thought you breezed in for a change of clothes and pick up one or two things, especially cash from me, and breeze out as usual.
Babe, I'm sorry. At least I have peace of mind that my brother has been found. You're supposed to understand all of this. It's not my doing. The only thing I'm begging God is to grant him full recovery so that he can remember who his true family are. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
I wish you and your family the very best. I'm going out now, so when you're done, please lock my door.
No, you're joking, right? I know you're not serious. Babe, I came in for us to spend time together. It's been a long time we are together as husband and wife. I'm sorry. As a matter of fact, I'm making something very tasty in the kitchen you're going to like, my baby. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. My baby, see, the moment I got back, you were sleeping, so I didn't want to disturb you. I wanted you to relax.
Enjoy your meal alone.
No, babe! Babe! Pure Francis!
Yo?
Baby, stay now. The baby said I should bite your ear. Wait.
Babe.
Babe, what is it?
See that this. Look at.
Yeah, babe.
Oh,
Easy. Yes, baby.
Baby, stay now. The baby said I should bite your ear. You're removing your face.
Baby, come on. What is the problem?
Let me bite your ear. Let me bite your ear. Is it too much to ask?
Calm down.
Just position.
Baby. Okay, fine. What do you want? Tell me, what do you want?
I want male lizard. I'm hungry. That's why the baby said I should bite your ear. Go and look for male lizard for me. Or better still, if you see female lizard is better because it is only the female lizard that will know my condition.
Come on, baby. Can you be realistic for once? Where do I get all this?
Which one is okay? I'm in a wonderland. I'm not realistic. Surely people can see now. This is the thing that you always do every time. These people in the neighborhood will be hearing my voice. Simple thing that I asked of you cannot do.
Okay, can you say something else? I'll get it for you.
But the lizard is realistic. Now, is lizard not an animal? Go and look for lizard. Now, lizard is not hard. Hi. This man does not know my condition.
Just tell me something else. I'll get it for you. Please.
Why are you sweating? Go and bring egg. This morning I asked, only lizard, you're already sweating. If I ask for lion, uncle, give me egg. Boiled egg. You put tea. You put bread. That's what I want. No. Scrambled egg. Toasted egg.
That's why you will bring and bring it.
Boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, toast. Which of them?
All of them now. Bring all of them. Bring all of them. Francis, what did I do to you? Bring the 3 now. Bring the 3. The baby said you should put the back of the tomato. Don't put the center. Don't put the center of the tomato. Add spring onion, sprinkle. Go and bring it. Baby, go and bring it now. Eh? This is my child. The baby's ear is connected to my ear. It is only me that have the Wi-Fi. You want to listen? Come and listen to it.
This is where it is. I'm coming.
The people that female is beside it to go, it's a very good combination. This man, you don't know anything. You have not been pregnant.
Here we are.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That is good.
Hey. Mother, I am so filled. Thank you so much.
I'm glad to hear that. Do you need some more water?
No, Mother, no. I'm very filled. I'm okay.
You know, pregnancy comes with its own stress. But I'm glad that yours is almost over. But stop stressing your husband.
Mother, how can you say a thing like that? I am the one going through a lot. I'm not stressing him, Mother. I'm not the one being stressed here.
I know. But you see, men are not usually as patient as we women. They are easily frustrated. Okay? Especially when the party is becoming a parent for the first time.
Mother, can we leave my husband? Stop talking about my husband. That drink that you gave to me the last time I came, that has, I think, testing ginger and garlic. Mother, let's start from that one. Bring it out, take it home. Leave my husband.
So you liked it?
Mother, I love that drink is everything. That's the only thing I want to be hearing. Mother, forget about my husband.
You're not planning to finish everything in this house.
This is my father's house. I can eat down the whole building.
I know.
It's not for this.
You know what? I am going to massage your legs while you rest. But first of all, finish the fruits.
Mother, you can't do that. I will call one of the maids to massage. Mother, you're doing too much already.
No, allow me. Allow me to do it. This is my first grandchild. So I have to start taking care of him from the womb.
Mother, don't you think you're spoiling me? You're pampering me too much.
Let me pamper you, my darling.
Mother, you see this combination? You need to try it. Apple and granite. It's very, very nice. Oh.
I know my family have not been at our best behavior. But you wouldn't blame us, my dear. We were happy and excited with the fact that my son was returning home after so many years abroad. But all those excitements were cut short. Immediately he went missing for months. And finally, we found him. But he couldn't recognize any one of us. It was really very devastating. We were sad, broken, and hurt so much that we couldn't remember to do the needful. Please, my dear, I'm very sorry.
Queen, you don't need to explain. You're not supposed to explain anything to me. I understand. How indeed?
That is why I'm here. He insisted we bring you guys over. Look, I promise to take good care of you and your sister. I will do anything that will make you happy. I will enroll your sister in a very good school and just tell me what you want. I will do all of them for you. All I'm asking is
please, move in with us.
Ma, that one go hard though. Because you know, say me self get my life where I did live. I get things where I did do.
I know. That is why I said, just mention it. Mention whatever you want. And I promise, I will personally provide them for you. You won't regret this. I'll make sure you're happy for the rest of your life.
So when are we getting the application?
Let's say in a month's time. Though I've not got feedback from the board of directors, so I'm just waiting for Mr. What's his name? Yes, thank you. Mr.
Mr. Matthew. Oh, it's been a while.
Princess Amanda, how are you?
You have seen me now. Eh?
You are looking good. Like pregnancy looks good on you. It's the glow for me. It's
Mr.
natural.
Matthew, stop it. Honestly, nobody told me that this journey is not easy.
Very soon. Very soon.
Hi. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Honey, I'm leaving. Is there anything I will do for you?
No.
Alright, that's no problem. They good, okay? Mr. Matthew.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful day. Francis? What is it? Are you guys quarreling again?
Don't tell me you don't know she's hurting my feelings.
Come on, man. Come on. Her family has issues. That throws them off balance, naturally. Come on.
I'm not asking for too much. All I need is for her to carry me along as the husband. Matthew, seriously, is that too much to ask? Is it the way your wife treats you at home?
Okay. I think this is the point where you both sit down and talk about it.
When I'm ready for you to talk about it, we will talk about it. But for now, I'm not.
Be that as it is, let's move over to business.
Better.
I actually forgot the proposal. I hope you still have the source copy, right?
Yes, I did. I noted down some corrections. So let me go and get my laptop.
Beautiful. But Francis, please. Delay is dangerous. Talk to me.
Marriage counselor. Is that good? I'm coming.
Alright.
Hi! Our prince. No, that's my friend. You said I don't miss you, Taya. Come on, give me space now.
Of course I miss you too. I miss both of you.
I miss you too.
But wait a minute. Why would you allow them take me away like that?
We don't get the power to stop them. It's only Igwe and Lol. We don't get the power, but don't worry. You do okay where you think.
I'm not okay without you guys.
We don't go.
Promise me you're not going to leave me again.
Ha! That one not sure now. You see as we gone body like this, so now so we gone body tea. Father notice.
Don't worry, we not go leave you. We don't come, we say we don't come, so all of us did.
So why you not gonna give me this kind of choppies?
Easy, may you no go punch.
Okay.
Mayo.
Don't mind her. Enjoy yourself.
Prince, you don't they remember something?
Remember what?
Matching kitten. Okay, the coding Kakura.
Mother, I think it is a bad idea bringing those girls into this house.
But your brother is not happy without them. He is not. So what do you expect us to do? Look, I'll advise you forget whatever issue you have with that girl, Teresa, or whatever her name is. And concentrate on your brother's healing. That's all that matters for now, please.
Mother, the truth is that I don't like that girl. Not even the slightest of it. I don't like her one bit. Eh? And I feel like she has an ulterior motive coming to this house.
Oh no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Your brother insisted that they must be around. So whatever it takes, let's just hope that he will get his healing through them. Who knows?
Mother, this is absurd. I cannot be cool with this. I'm not.
Well, at this juncture, there's nothing you and I can do about it. As a matter of fact, we are planning on bringing the little girl, giving her a scholarship. Our younger sister.
What? Hey. Martins. Where are you headed? I'm coming for us to have a chit chat and you're walking out.
What is it?
Come on. I came downstairs to have a chit chat with my brother.
I am not your brother. Stop calling me Martins. See, let me tell you. You think I don't know what you guys are doing in this house? You kidnapped me and took me away from my family. Stay away from me. Every one of you in this house should stay away from me.
Martins, you have to... Can you calm down? You have to stop. So you think that that thing that calls herself Teresa is your real family? We are your real family. Look at mom, look at dad. Can't you... You know, see, you have to... I'm tired, okay? You have to recover fast. This whole thing is getting me tired. I'm losing my patience. What is this?
You're my sister.
Yes. Martins, look at me. You can remember something. I'm your sister.
You're my family.
Yes, I am. I knew you were going to remember me.
Don't you ever insult Teresa again. Else, you will have me to deal with.
I don't start big man school like this, so big man school. I don't start them.
When you want start, you get plan to go rob bank because I no get money for big man school.
Calm down, Lolo, don't pay for the school. On Monday like this, I don't start school.
Wow! Congratulations.
Thank you.
See, your people are very kind. They very nice. You people get human hearts.
I swear.
My people.
Oh, Chef Gomne, no serious. Don't worry. His people are very nice.
I didn't start school, yes, so. I say 11. I will say get since 9. You're supposed to be happy like me, are you? Stop!
No, they insulted.
Double 6!
Why are you having double C's? How?
Yes, now I sabi this thing well. I don't even play my own sis. No, now you don't get anything. Now 1 and 2 again. 6 again. 3.
I'm not going to win you in this game.
9. Now, but you've not.
First, it was my husband. Now it is my brother. Let me even ask you, did they send you? What is it that you have with my family? What is your problem, this girl? Did they send you?
What the one cannot bury mad? Be like say you the insult person. Because I don't know why you carry your pregnancy. Come here, come frustrate my life. No be me give you belly. When you did, they do baby harder. I not remember. I don't know why you go be saying me go they suffer them. Anytime when you see me, I run out bakasege. Why don't we go? Respect yourself.
Hey, what's the problem? Why are you always shouting? In fact, why are you even disturbing this fun moment?
There is nothing that is fun here. There is no fun here. The only thing that is happening here is that this girl is a witch. And I can say that she wants to bewitch you, but it will not happen. In as much as I'm alive, it will never happen. It will not work for you. It will not.
You are pregnant woman.
Can you just ignore her?
If no be say, now your baby where they be like they look. If not by now, now for emergency ward, you for day for hospital. And you no go get mouth talk them. All this church where they do now because I dey pity your baby. I dey tell you. I dey tell you.
Oh, you think this is your house? Oh, you thought it was when me and my family came to your house, and then you were squeezing your mouth. Try now, you will see people that will beat you here, that will beat you. Try me.
Can you just stop this?
Try me.
What's the problem?
Stop this. Shall you see what you have caused? Everyone saw that, and you see.
What on earth is going on? It's an engine, no get. It's not trustworthy.
What are you saying? Did you pick me all the way from the airport just to stop me halfway? If you knew your car wasn't functioning very well, why don't you just take it to the mechanic shop and fix it? Move!
Enter!
Friend, quiet, dear also. Keep quiet before I blow off your head. It's in the warning.
Please, sir. I have money in my bag. Take it and spend my life, please.
I swear to God, if you talk again, I go come on your head. What did they worry you?
Quiet.
Hey, put that away. Put this watch. Push down.
Yes, take it off. Be fast and stop making murmuring.
I dey lose am. If I lose, I know like me.
That's my shoe.
I'll give you only 5 seconds to
pull those stuff. I'm sorry. Spend my life. Please.
I hate sorry.
Quiet!
Sorry. I repeat. I hate sorry.
Oh. Well, I can't do in a good mood these days.
Sorry.
I have the loss in my bag. I can't have it.
You know, quiet.
Cannot.
Quiet, your son. Get down from that car. Get down. Last. Drop him. Get down. Down. Come on.
Move it, move it. Kneel down there, kneel down there. Kneel down there. Face the bush. Face the bush.
Kneel down!
Aye! Hey, no stay me.
Look at the face. Look at the face. Look at the face.
Chimo, somebody help me! Help!
You see what you don't carry your mumu lifestyle.
They better put him. Let's take him to the hospital. This is my father's only son, oh! You will hey! Who is in this mother? Somebody should help me!
How you now go get sister with the grace like this? Only her first carry baby.
This is Palachanga,
That's what's found.
Nah, because Peter no stand up. Who is in this palace? Mother no kweba.
Go wake him. Go wake him. If not, he banya manyam. Go wake him. Lost but found.
Nah, because they
lost but found. Lost but found. Now if na joke, stop. Now they make my heart they skip.
What are you still doing here? Eh? What are you still doing here? You're supposed to have left. You have no business again in this house. Eh? Your presence has caused more harm than good.
Mother, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. I didn't mean for it to happen that way. Honestly, I was just frustrated. My husband is frustrating me. I was so upset when I came in here and saw them. I just transferred that same energy on Teresa. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at you. Look at you with your useless energy. Look at you. Look, just pray nothing happens to my son. Just pray he survives it.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, honey.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, honey.
Can you believe that Prince Martins is back to his senses?
Are you serious?
He even asked a lot of questions.
Father, are you sure about this? This sounds like a miracle, Mother.
It is indeed a miracle. Yes. He fell down, hit his head while you and Teresa were having arguments. And his memory came back.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Father Lord.
This is God.
You are the God of wonders. You are the God of miracles. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
You have done it again.
Amen.
How do I say thank you? Do I roll on the floor? Do I somersault? My son is back. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, honey. God. Where is he? I need to see him. I need to see him immediately.
Hope you're enjoying your meal.
Yes, honey.
I'm glad that after all the tussle, my son is back on his feet. Thanks to Almighty God.
Yes.
And also thanks to the Good Samaritan. Teresa, thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Now God, though, through creation, and not be me.
Honey, you know, after thanking God, after praising God, it's also important that we appreciate Teresa.
Sure.
I mean, Teresa is indeed a blessing. I'm sure she wasn't the only one who saw her son that day, but she was the only one who cared to carry his burden. Thank you so much, Teresa.
When, don't mention it. If you want to mention it to God. Don't be me get this praise. Now God, now him get her. Now God get her.
I want to especially thank every one of you for standing by me during my difficult times. I can't appreciate you enough. Thank you so much.
Thank God.
Teresa, I want to apologize to you from the depth of my heart. I am so sorry. The manner at which I spoke to you, the way I treated you, everything, I didn't mean it that way. It was not intentional. It was pregnancy hormones. You know, as a pregnant woman, sometimes you just do things. Ask my mother, she knows I'm not like that. Oh? I hope you're friends now. I'm sorry.
Yes, we're friends. And don't forget, the truth is, I like you. I like your kind of person because I like people with the ginger.
But you know, You know, stay guest boy shark.
Hey!
Mother, I want to remind you something. The day we went to their house, did you remember this girl calling me Tolo Tolo?
Yes, that's true.
She said I look like you, Tolo Tolo. Come, this girl, she's so funny.
No verse. That one, you know, see na bad character na bad character. Carry me good. No verse. Make I shock.
Francis, can you stop this thing? Come on, can you just stop? Stop it now. Let's not do this. I don't want us to do this. All the time we are doing this. I don't want it. Eh? Can't you be happy for my brother? The fact that he has overcome this dimension of a thing, you should be happy. That is what I expect you to do. Be happy.
Congratulations! Congratulations! I'm glad you're happy. I'm happy for you too.
Hey, Francis!
Have you ever thought of my own happiness? I knew you didn't think of that. You see how selfish you've become. I still miss her so much. My only pain is that she didn't carry me along in all those things.
See, the only thing your wife did wrong was that she kept you in the dark. She didn't carry you along, probably because you are not part of her immediate family. Of which that's understandable. Come on, you won't blame her. Put yourself in her shoes.
I understand. I do.
Take my advice. Go in there. Talk to her. Please.
No, baby, come on.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything that happened, baby. I miss her so much. I didn't mean for all of this to happen. I was so much anticipating for the return of my brother. This whole situation kept my family in a sad note. And I felt the need to stay close to my mom and dad because I feel like I'm the only person that will be able to console them. I didn't mean it that way. I am sorry. Believe me, I didn't take you for granted. I did not. I love you so much and you know it. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad everything played out the way it did. We are not at loss. I missed you so much. I didn't know how to react. I'm so sorry I overreacted. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
I miss you so much. I love you.
I love you too, baby. And I miss you.
This is the point where I excuse you that.
I can perceive something good.
Of course, you know your wife is a very good cook.
What is it?
Are you
Baby,
okay?
what?
Are you okay?
Matthew, the pregnancy. Get the car, Matthew. Matthew, get the car. Matthew, help. Come and help me.
My first time, come and help me. Deep breath. Let's go. Sorry.
Honey, I'm so glad that finally peace and tranquility has been restored into our home. You know, the past 6 months has really been traumatizing for us.
Sure. You see, initially I thought we've lost our son. But the God we serve saved him and preserved him for us.
And that girl, Teresa, she's indeed God's blessing. You know, she could have abandoned her son to die. But she was kind enough to save his life.
Sure. You see, she's just God sent.
Exactly.
But you know, initially we misinterpreted the whole thing. Yes, but at some point we came to realize that she meant no harm.
Exactly.
Her sister is already under our scholarship. And it will not be bad if we find her something doing. What do you think?
You're right, Your Majesty. But you know she's an adult. So we have to find out from her what exactly she wants. Then we'll know where to come in.
Okay. You have a point there. It's okay. Francis.
Francis?
Yeah. Hello, Francis. You're not serious. Your wife gave birth to a bouncing baby girl? Wow. This is the best news ever. Best news ever.
God, I thank you.
All right. We'll be there. We're coming right away, okay? We're coming there.
God, Your Majesty.
Yes.
So we are now grandparents.
Sure.
You know, I knew. I said it. That she was going to give birth to a girl. Yes.
My prophetess. Let's be on our way already.
And guess what? That child would look like me. I knew that already.
Nobody is disputing that with you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, this is the best.
Oh my God.
You don't find finish. Come they enter my eye. What's make I close and I not say no go reach me.
You don't look bad yourself.
Eh?
Yes.
Just an answer.
Teresa. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking good care of me. That fateful day was supposed to be the happiest day of my life.
Yeah.
And also to my family. But it ended up being a sad day. I was kidnapped. Let's just forget about it. But thank you.
You don't thank me. Now God now get the glory. No worry.
I have to thank you.
Now God use me take save your life. No be by my power. Now God you go dey thank. Say, God, thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
I have a confession to make.
So you sabi the kidnappers? You know them?
Like you. Teresa, I want you. Yes, I want us. I want us to make something good out of this. You're the one I think about all the time. Yes. You make me smile.
Kwesiokwu?
Of course.
I like it.
I just say not to like each other. I don't see this people beginning.
I wish I had my phone. I wish I had my phone. I would have captured some shots.
Hey!
You see, I thought I lost myself. You have my blessings already.
Yes.
So I can't be like this, like this.
Honey, you know, today is the best day of our lives. Today, we became grandparents. And today, there's a wedding bell ringing right now.
Lolo, you talk through because you say like me and me, I like them.
I don't understand. Come like say I did left behind.
Of course I love you.
I love
Baby of the house.